IP Parking develops and produces modern parking systems based on the latest web-based communication technology. Internet is the common thread running through the whole system. Each individual product can be accessed by Internet, giving many advantages over traditional suppliers. IP Parking is a pioneer in the field of integrating on-street parking and off-street parking. Our cooperation with Park Mobile, the global market leader in pay-by-phone parking, has created a complete platform for electronic parking, whether parking on the street or in a garage. How does this work in practice? A central database is installed at the local council, which keeps a record of all the rights, such as permits, exemptions, rates, access times and subscriptions. This applies to on-street parking, off-street parking, city centres and recycling centres. So it's easy for the council to manage all the systems from one central point, as all the hardware is directly connected to the database. If a council has issued residence permits, they can easily be linked into the database, enabling residents to operate all the systems with their permit. How does this work in practice? You can use your residence permit for on-street parking as well as in parking garages and private car parks, providing the council or owner has installed the necessary facilities. The EP logo shows where you can park with your residence permit. If there is a picture of a telephone and a zone number on the pay and display machine, you can also use your mobile phone to pay for parking, just by calling or text messaging to the database. If you want to park in a parking garage or private car park and the EP logo is displayed at the entrance, you can use your residence permit to pay for parking. When you drive in and out, just hold your residence permit in front of the EP reader. The barrier will go up and your parking time will be started and stopped automatically. Parking on the street with your residence permit works like this. Once you've parked your car, walk to the EP reader, which is installed in a pay and display machine. Hold your residence permit in front of the reader and your starting time will be registered. And when you're ready to leave, hold your permit in front of the reader again and the parking time will be stopped. It's as simple as that. If the council or owner has opted to use license plate recognition, the barrier at the entrance or exit will open automatically for you as your license plate is recognized. City Centre. The permit or the license plate is checked on entry. Recycling Centre. The permit or the license plate is checked on entry. Visitor schemes. To prevent social isolation, residents can register visitors on the Internet for a certain number of hours per year. Visitors will then have access to the parking facility on the basis of their license plate. Permit holders. As the license plate is an important element in the database, from now on permits can be issued on the basis of the license plate. It's simple to issue or withdraw permits. Loyalty. Retailers are often willing to pay for parking, but they do want to be sure you are actually a customer. As practically every shop has internet access now, retailers will be able to offer their customers a direct discount. Personal page. Each resident using our services will get their own personal web page, on which they can see exactly what they have paid for parking and change their personal settings. Users of the system have the following benefits. No more rushing because you're afraid of returning to your car late and getting a parking fine. Never paying too much as you pay per minute. No more fuss looking for change or recharging your payment card. No more topping up the parking meter. No more queuing at the parking meter. Easy to declare your parking expenses. all your parking times stated clearly on an invoice. Clarity about rights and obligation through your personal website. In short, things are clearer and simpler for the Council as everything is organised in one central database. And residents and users will be happy to make use of the numerous benefits provided by the system.